Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can change the Bluetooth name on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you need to launch the Settings app, then enter the General category. In here, go for the About section that is located at the very top, then Name, and in here simply select a custom device name or nickname or alias that you would like to use. I'll go with, let's say Ferrari, why not? Press on done, and as you can see, our name, alias or nickname under which the device will be seen in any network, Bluetooth included, will be seen. Has been changed already. So that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.